Good afternoon. It's 1 o'clock on Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025. And yes, I'm offering to mow anyone's lawns in Tokoroa, Margaret Place, Ferguson's Place, Victoria Place, Kent Street, all sorts are willing to do your lawn with cheap as little as $5 to $85, depending how big the section is and how long it takes me to lawn. You can contact me through email at pearsonmatthewjohn at gmail at Pearson Matthew Mattthew John John at gmail, and I'll be happy to mow your lawn. Or if you can't afford it, you can give me something to eat and drink. How's that? Have a nice day. Ciao for now.